Sharing the treasures of Samoa, we have with you the story of our secret tattoo we call the tatau. Twin sisters Sheila and Tema swam from Pitita Manu'a to Samoa. They were given the basket of the tatau tools. As they swam on their journey, they sang a song that only women get a tattoo. However, after diving deep into the ocean to eat a huge cloud, they arrived to the shores of Samoa, catching the words by reversing those words, that only the men receive the tattoo. Over 3,000 years now, the men get the tattoo, or the tatau we call the manuhia. The designs and motifs are tattooed through the old styles of those beyond the sea as they endure the markings of our ancestors in every string. The tatau has deep meanings of our people, our culture, and is sacred with honor and respect. With the tatau tools carried by the sisters many years ago, the women wear the malu, lace-like patterns motifs on the legs. These women are to shelter, serve, and protect the malu for our family, our village, and our culture. The malu is to be covered and may reveal itself for only special occasions and cultural festivities. Ladies and gentlemen, we share with you one of our many treasures of Samoa. Mea Samoa, the tatau.